everyone. It's my job to explain to you our next writing prompt. For the next writing prompt, you're going to need to use the two stories that we are working with in our unit test. Story 1 is going to be called Let It Snow, and story 2 is the state license plates. Now, you will either find those stories in your slides, or your teacher will give you a paper copy of both of those stories to work from. Once you have those stories and you've read it at least one time each, you're ready now to write your prompt. Here is your prompt directions. Your job is to compare the author's purpose for writing each selection and provide support from each reading selection for your answer. Well, what does that exactly mean? Here's an outline you're welcome to follow. Number 1, you're going to need to start right off with your topic sentence. And I highlighted some words in our directions that we're going to want to work in our topic sentence. And I'll give you a quick peek at that in just a second if you're having a hard time creating your own topic sentence. Once you've done that, you're going to write a sentence that tells us what the author's purpose was for story 1. And then your next 2 sentences are going to be your reasons why you picked that for the author's purpose. You can go right back into the story and use some text quotes, some text proof writing right there, or you can paraphrase parts of the story that helped you decide what the author's purpose was. Then you're going to move on to story 2 and do the same thing. You're going to give us a sentence that tells us what you think the author's purpose was for story 2. And the next 2 sentences will be explaining your reasons why you picked that author's purpose. And again, you can go back into the story and use some text proof to back up your thinking. And then your very last sentence will just be when you restate your topic sentence. So that by the time you're done with this, you're going to write a solid 8-sentence paragraph. So let me remind you to indent only when you write that first sentence. Everything else does not get indented. Now, I told you I'd give you a peek at my topic sentence. Well, these are the words I want to use. So look how I created my topic sentence. I just simply said the author's purpose for each selection was different. That's all your topic sentence is taking some words from the directions and putting in your topic sentence. When you get to the end to close your essay, here's a possibility. You can start with, in closing, and now you're going to restate that topic sentence. So here goes. I have explained how the author's purpose for each selection was different. So you're welcome to peek back at that as often as you need to for a reminder. And you're welcome to peek back here as often as you need to while you're writing. So thanks for listening, and I wish you the best of luck writing this paragraph.